useless action, useless comedy.
What about the Deepika? She's performing first time doing a debut in Hollywood.
Yeah, I mean, she should have done it with that stupid movie. And yeah, I mean, I'm hopeful for Priyanka Chopra in Baywatch, but yeah, this is horrible.
And how much star you will give 5 out of?
Half, maybe.
Half.
Yeah.
Vin Diesel performance?
Vin Diesel was good. Yeah, I mean, he was the reason the movie was okay, but and, yeah.
So how you like this film?
It was very horrible.
Horrible.
Yeah.
And why, sir?
The action was, it looked like it was not feasible. It was going all over the world. So there was no story also in it, and yeah, that's why.
Deepika is doing a debut in Hollywood. How you see the performance?
I did not see her a good fit in the Hollywood films.
And how much star you will give 5 out of?
1 star.
1. Thank you. How Deepika performance?
Very good.
Do you think the women empowerment is increasing because she's performing from Bollywood to Hollywood?
Yeah.
Yes. And how much star you will give 5 out of?
4.
4. Thank you.
Great movie.
Not a great movie. How the performance of Deepika?
It was okay, but she had to. Her accent was quite off.
And what about the accent? You don't like the accent?
No, it was quite off. But it was okay. Her performance was okay. But the movie is too. It was like a.
quite an interesting movie.
Yeah, it was quite funny. It was like an Indian movie actually.
And
So-
do you think that women empowerment is increasing in India because she's went Bollywood to Hollywood?
Definitely. I think
Yo, fake Sanjay.
Bollywood is definitely making an impact on Hollywood, and it's great to see Indian actors making such a good impact globally.
And 5 out of how much star you give?
I'll give two and a half.
Thank you. So how you like this film? What you like the film? Can you give? So how you like this
Sorry,
film?
I'm busy right now. Triple X.
Yes.
Yeah, very good movie.
What you like the film?
The action, you can say the return of the old T-Bone. So it's a very good movie.
How you like the performance of Vin Diesel and Deepika?
The chemistry is good, you can say. The first time you can, like, Bollywood meets Hollywood. It's a good combination.
Do you think accent is good of Deepika?
Yeah, the action was good.
Accent.
Action, no? Yeah, action is good. Action was good.
Okay. And what about you? You see the women empowerment is increasing because she went Bollywood to Hollywood.
No, you can say, like, nowadays you can see every, like, Bollywood celebrity is trying for Hollywood. So you can say it's working.
And how much star you will get 5 out of?
4.5.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What you like the film?
Okay, this guy will tell you.
Deepika Padukone only I like.
You
I
like?
love her. I love her.
And what about the accent of Deepika? Do you like the accent?
Yeah. Actually, but I felt so good.
Okay. और आप देख कैसा लगा एक्शन कैसा लगा दीपिका का?
बहुत
बहुत
too
अच्छा।
good, but better than Vin Diesel.
ओके और 5 में से कितना स्टार देना चाहेंगे?
4.
4। और दीपिका आपको लगता है विमेन एम्पावरमेंट इंक्रीज हो रहा है बॉलीवुड से?
Actually it is.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much.
Expectations.
What about the Deepika?
Deepika, I don't think so. Deepika is looking that great in the movie. She's not able to catch the accent, so she's looking odd out of all the people. But anyhow, it was a good watch. But what I expected from Deepika, she was not up to the expectations.
What about the Vin Diesel?
Vin Diesel was awesome as usual.
Okay, and how much star you will give from 5 out of?
For the movie, I would give 3.5.
And what about Deepika is doing from Bollywood to Hollywood? Do you think the women empowerment is increasing because of her in India?
I guess, but she needs to work a little more. So she should not fly high, but she should realize that she really needs to work more. Otherwise, she's looking great, she's looking gorgeous, but I guess still she needs to improvise a lot to be a fit, not a misfit.
Thank you. What do you like the film regarding Triple X?
Actually, I didn't like Triple X movie just because of Deepika Padukone.
And what about the Vin Diesel?
Vin Diesel was awesome as usual.
And what are stunts related?
Stunts were fantastic, but the accent was not up to the mark. So
Of
I
Deepika.
will, yeah, because of Deepika. So only because of her accent, I will rate the movie 3.
3. And how you see the women empowerment? Do you think it's increasing in India because of her? Because she's doing from debut from Bollywood to Hollywood.
No, I don't think the women empowerment will only increase from switching from Bollywood to
she's
Hollywood.
taking our name as to Hollywood. That is why.
But she'll have to work hard
Work
for that.
hard.
She should not fly high just because she did a movie in Hollywood.
Okay. And 5 out of how much you?
3.
3. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Wait. How you like this? film?
movie was really amazing. Deepika's action was really astonishing, I feel. And the first two part I've not seen, but I really like this movie.
How you like the performance?
Performance was really amazing, as Bollywood is really interrupting kind of into Hollywood. Deepika is now leaving, I feel, India, but for the progress it must.
What about the accent? regarding-
Accent?
Because people not liking her accent.
Accent, yeah, cause of little bit Indian taste too comes, the US, but it was really amazing, as it was the one of my friend dissatisfied as he didn't get the subtitles, so they really need to work on it.
Okay, and how much star you want?
3.5.
3.5. Thank you. Sir, how you?
Film was actually amazing, but the first and second part were more better than this.
Okay. And
But
what,
this was not up to the expectation.
and what about the Deepika accent?
Yeah, Deepika's role was good, but the accent was a bit of an Indian taste, but
Okay.
not totally British.
What about the stunts she did?
Stunts she did was amazing, not up to like Vin Diesel, but stunts were good. Yeah,
Vin Diesel performance? How you rate?
as always he was good only.
Okay, and what about you? Do you think women empowerment is increasing?
Yeah, the Bollywood getting into the Hollywood and all the women's getting into the Hollywood parts like the Priyanka Chopra and Deepika Padukone, it is good.
How much star you will give 5 out of?
3.5.
Thank you.
Actually, it hurts.
Roll. So how you like this film, Triple X?
Actually, I didn't like it. Actually, it hurts my expectation. So I will give it 2 star or 1 actually.
Okay, and how you see the performance of Deepika?
Actually, Deepika's performance was good. Actually, I thought she is the only who is doing a promotion in India. So
And how you see the performance of Vin Diesel?
Vin Diesel was awesome actually. Another film is coming is Fate of Furious, I thought.
And how you see the accent of Deepika? Do you think the accent is good?
Yeah, accent is little Madrasi type actually. So I didn't like its accent in English. But actually the film was bad actually.
And how much you will rate this film? 5 out of
2.
2. And do you think that women empowerment is increasing because she shifted Bollywood to Hollywood?
No, actually film doesn't make any sense in women empowerment actually.
Okay, thank you. Film Triple X.
मूवी अच्छी थी, लेकिन जो लास्ट के 2 पार्ट थे उससे उसके मुकाबले अच्छी नहीं लगी. और स्टंट ऑसम, बॉलीवुड एक्शंस एंड
दीपिका का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा लगा आपको?
दीपिका का परफॉर्मेंस एज यूजुअल लाइक बॉलीवुड, जैसे बॉलीवुड में होता था वैसे ही करती हुई आई, लेकिन हाँ थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट है. और
एक्सेंट कैसा लगा आपको? एक्सेंट लग रहा कि फॉरेन एक्सेंट? डू यू थिंक?
नो,
नो. तो
Not that.
ओके. और आपको लगता है विमेन एम्पावरमेंट इंक्रीज हो रहा है, वो बॉलीवुड से हॉलीवुड गई?
हाँ, लाइक दीपिका भी गई, प्रियंका भी गई, एंड मोर एक्टर्स आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स हॉलीवुड, सो देयर इज वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट.
5 में से कितना स्टार देना चाहिए?
3.
थैंक यू.
Action was really great.
And what about the Vin Diesel performance?
Vin Diesel was actually the best in the movie. This was like one of his best performances. And when it comes to the other actors like Deepika Padukone, she was really hot in the movie, and she was actually her acting was really good.
And what about her accent?
Her accent, it was alright. It was like an Indian accent, so it didn't match with the others' accent, but it was really good.
And how you rate this film 5 out of?
Out of 5, rated 4.5.
And do you think that the Indian women empowerment is increasing because she should?
Yeah, because she went to Hollywood, just like other actresses, even she went to Hollywood, and that actually increases the women empowerment in India, which is really helpful.
Thank you. Sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
How you see the performance of Triple X? How you like the film?
It was an amazing film, full of plot twists and stunts. It was amazing.
And how you see the performance of Vin Diesel and Deepika?
Vin Diesel is amazing. It's like none of his performance when it comes to Fast and Furious series, any of them, it's not bad at all. And this time he took it to a different level. Deepika, I don't think quite suit the role, but she's Deepika, so yeah.
How you see the accent of Deepika? How you like the accent?
Not at all.
No.
It was sounding quite fake.
Fake. Do you think she has to work?
Yeah, I do think she needs to work on that.
And how you see the Bollywood shifting to Hollywood? Do you think the women empowerment is increasing?
Yes, definitely it is. And when it comes to Bollywood to Hollywood, I guess it's a step towards the future, and it's really good.
And how you rate this film? 5 out of
4 stars.
4. Thank you.
Yeah.
थैंक यू। हॉलीवुड फिल्म ट्रिपल एक्स सिनेमाघरों में रिलीज हो चुकी है। हॉलीवुड में डेब्यू कर रही है दीपिका के किरदार को लोग काफ़ी पसंद कर रहे हैं, लेकिन दीपिका के एक्शन को लेकर लोग काफ़ी नाराज़ है। देखना होगा कि आने वाले दिनों में दीपिका हॉलीवुड में किस तरह से प्रदर्शन करती है। विन डीजल के प्रदर्शन को लेकर लोग काफ़ी खुश हैं। इस तरह का प्रदर्शन लोगों को काफ़ी पसंद आया, उनके स्टंट। देखना होगा आने वाले दिनों में बॉक्स ऑफिस में ये फिल्म कितनी प्रदर्शन करती है। मुंबई से कैमरामैन राजेश कुमार प्रजापति के साथ कृष्णलाल कुलियान, बॉलीवुड अड्डा।